Post has been sent. This is the air share error. Let me show you how it's looking like. We can able to send an image, content, everything right now. See. Oh yeah, that's great. The images are also as coming, so everything is coming properly. See, on the social media, I have already the Instagram is my in my phone, so I'm not able to showcase you. One second, let me check. This Instagram is working. I mean, in my just a second. No, this is the different Instagram. Okay, so but everything is coming. Yeah, Instagram and the Facebook, anywhere you wanted to send this kind of the social media post, you can send it easily. So right now I'm using AirShare APIs, and yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, so please ask me. I already have one another demonstration for you. One second, let me share with you. Just allow me a minute. Actually, my system is minor slow because I have a lot of open things. See, also, this is the get row, get JavaScript. This is the another automation tool that I have created just for my project current project status. Let me remove it. Now I can send it to you. Uh, this one, actually, in a single uh, workspace, I have created the multiple automation tools. That's why I'm not directly hitting this button. I hope you understand. Yeah. So now I'm sending this email. I can get all my content from the Google Sheet. This Google Sheet is here. See this one. This one. Now let me showcase to you. See, everything is coming. See all my project details and sorry. See the so this one. Absolutely correct. Everything is. And I also have one another demonstration for you. See, I dot have that application that I have created. Mm, see, this is the complete analytic tools that I have created for social media. I have connected to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. This is the complete integration that I have built. 4 accounts I have connected. This is the analytic tool that I have created. My analytics board. I can create my post. I also use the AI for this. This is everything I have created. I have developed. This is a dummy image that I have shared here. Now I'm sending. Sorry, it's scheduled. Okay, now it's post. This is the single story post I have sent. Okay, you can see. The same AirShare API has integrated here. Now the post created successfully. Now let me show you here. Yeah, see. Sure. Let me know if you have any comments on it. I'm ready to work on this project.